a company that offers all-in-one ELV solutions to architects, quantity surveyor, builders, facility managers, HSC managers, and officers. Today, we are going to expose some of our services, starting with installation of FM 200 system, servicing and supply of fire extinguishers, installation of fire and alarm systems, installation of closed circuit television, installation and maintenance of car tracking system, data and telephone installation and maintenance, smoke detectors, wireless burglar alarm system and maintenance, installation of access control system and programming, supply of PPE, personal protective equipment to site, installation of nurse call system. We offer this to all professionals. We also train in the area of all this that were mentioned. Get in touch with us today.